Chef here. So in the pot we have a beautiful chicken stock. You can see this. Oh yeah, look at that, looking good. That's the real deal right there. Okay, this was made from legs and thighs, but anyway, you gotta have chicken stock for certain recipes. I'll be back. By the way, some people call this broth, but the correct term, this is chicken stock. If you're curious on how to make chicken stock, just subscribe and search our recipe database right here on YouTube or on the website. We've got the videos as well. The recipe for really, really good chicken stock, and that recipe is found right on that website right there. Okay, moving along, this is going to be used for several recipes. I'll be back. Hello, Chef here. Once again, another recipe for you. This one is fast and easy, very healthy and nutritious. This is some old world European cooking. So here we go. We're making chicken paprikash. For paprikash, you must have Hungarian paprika, the good stuff. I often put my paprika in this shaker. It just makes sense. It's fast, it's quick, it's easy. Of course, we've got garlic, we've got tomato, we've got boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We have an orange pepper and a red pepper. Use green if you'd like, your choice. Salt, pepper, and a few other ingredients will be in this recipe, so follow along. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is a real quick vegetable prep. These peppers get seeded and then cut. The tomato's going to get diced. The garlic is in this dish is just a rough chop because it's going to cook for so long that there's no need to go small. That right there is good on the garlic. Okay, tomato, we're going to go just large dice like this, large chunks. Okay, that's good on the tomato. I'll be right back after I clean these peppers. We're going to remove the seed. Okay, this particular dish requires some larger pieces of peppers, and for this I'm going to do what we in the culinary industry we call this a roll cut. So you take your pepper like this, it's kind of a large piece, you roll your knife back and forth, almost creates a triangle. This is the cut I'm looking for. Thanks for paying attention to the video and the details. And yeah, just moving along very quickly. We're going to cut these up like this. Okay, the next step is the chicken, and it's very simple. You want to take this chicken and just cut it into large chunks like this. Okay, and we're adding some salt, sea salt. Yeah, don't be shy with the sea salt. We're also adding some black pepper. Actually, this is a blend of pepper, and you got to have a little bit of spice in there as well. Pepper, as you might know, is pretty good for you. Watch some of the other chefs' videos and learn more about pepper, pepper mills, sea salt, all this other good stuff. We love these things. Yeah. All right. And of course the paprika. That's the basis of this paprikash dish. I'm going to put quite a bit of paprika. I'll be adding more to the pan as well. Got a very hot pan here. Got a little bit of olive oil. If you want to use salad oil, that's your choice. No problem. Okay, we're going to first put some garlic in here. We're going to let the garlic brown. Starting to release the flavor. I can smell it. The whole room is filling up with paprika. Yum. Okay, at this point I've added a little bit of my chef's secret herbs right there. If you want to know what that is, you need to leave a question in the comment section. This is looking really good. It smells great. It's simmering now. I'm going to start adding some boiling chicken stock to this. Maybe 15 ounces chicken stock. Okay, about 20 minutes later, we're going to give this a little taste. And we're going to adjust the seasonings based according to the taste. You need highly refined taste buds to be able to accomplish this correctly. Definitely more sea salt. Okay. A little more pepper. Some more paprika. Wow, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, now to thicken this, we've got a slurry. In case you don't know what a slurry is, refer to some of the other videos and you pick up on these tips. The slurry is equal parts of cornstarch and water. And we're using a whisk. We're going to add the slurry in right into the center, like this. And then we're going to bring it to a boil. And we will get more cornstarch and water if needed. I want this to get pretty thick. Oh, yeah. That's it, right there. Okay, 1 hour later, the exact spot where I cut that chicken on the maple cutting board, there is 0 bacteria. And here is some beautiful rice ready to go for my chicken paprikash. Chicken paprikash gets ladled over the rice like this. And once you get the desired portion, okay, chicken paprikash, some good sauce there. Yeah, a little of that sauce, a little of the peppers, a little of the chicken. Okay, that's a nice portion right there. And I'm going to finish this off with just a touch of dried parsley right there. Thanks for watching. We've completed this presentation. Like, share, subscribe, and please come back for more of the chef's recipes. Chicken paprikash. Ah, that's gonna be good.